Hey everyone, so we are focused today. What jeez. Is it going to be a go-to budget vlogging exciting vlog because it's super cheap here. I mean, super affordable thing I'm about to show you. This is the On smartphone vlogging kit with Bluetooth remote control. So this should be exciting because this came in under $20, I believe. And for those of you, you have no more excuses as to why you can't have good production on your video conferences and or vlogs. So hey everyone, so this is Gil Vergara back again with another video. We're going to be reviewing a sub $20 or $20 vlogging kit that you can use to boost up your vlogging game. Should be amazing for you guys out there because there's no more excuse to not bring up your production value. This is the vlogging kit by On. I believe this is a Walmart brand, right? So real quickly, it's a combination table tripod and selfie stick with phone holder, LED light, and microphone mount. So the light is 6500K with 3 light modes, an active microphone, and a Bluetooth remote control that works with this right here, with this unit right here. So top reasons why I purchased this particular unit, aside from reviewing it for you guys. Number one, it comes with a light, so it'll boost up your video output, your quality, and it comes with a microphone. So I'm gonna check both of those components, and hopefully you like them. And here we go. So I'm gonna unbox it real quick. Nothing too crazy. Unboxing is an unboxing. So I am still away on business, probably for another 2 weeks before I make my big move, which I'll tell everyone. So what do you get in the box? Aside from a quick start guide, right? Yeah, quick start guide. So it does come with batteries right there. It comes with batteries. It comes with your microphone adapter for iOS device. It comes with your USB-C. It comes with a light, as you can see right there. It comes with a phone mount. It has your remote, and it has your tripod right here, your table tripod, and your microphone, your I guess a shotgun microphone. Key things that are very important in this situation is how well this is, how consistent this is, and how well this is right here. So I'm gonna put this thing together, come back to you, use my phone with it, and I'll see you is we're gonna pull out the batteries. So what I like the fact that they have an iOS to 3.5 adapter there. They have, if I can take it out, USB-C to 3.5 adapter there. This is probably for the microphone, another battery. They have the remote here, that's pretty cool right there. You can connect it Bluetooth. You have your tripod here. It's done, you can open it by engaging this right here. It locks up, so pressing this moves it. It's right there. You can twist it from here and lock it up from there. And it's pretty good. It comes like a trigger situation there, but let's open it up here. So it's twisting. So 2 right there out. So that turns into your table tripod right there. Now, not for nothing, this is plastic. This is $20. So please don't expect this to be top quality. But for what it is, when it closes up and you have like a situation right there, I guess right there, this is pretty cool right here. There's your remote right there. This is your light right here. This will need the batteries. So I'm gonna put that in right now. Let's see the output real quick. See, this is another problem. I can't even press this thing. Okay, let's work on that later. You have your phone mount right here. Yeah, your phone mount right there. So I would venture to say this goes like this. And then the last component is your boom mic. Okay, so this is literally the kit right here. So everyone, I'm just gonna hold right here and see if that light works. You gotta press and hold, and there you go. That's to turn it off. Long press, And for brightness, there it is. Just keep pressing it. It's very bright. I guess it's low, medium, and together. I'm gonna put my phone on it and obviously run the ultimate test as to what it sounds like, what it feels like on this unit, vlogging and things like that. So I'm gonna put my phone to it and tell me what you guys think. Is it going to be a go-to budget vlogging system? If it is, and or if you have it, comment down below, because I would love to know if how long you've been using it, how long has it lasted you. You know, that'll be a huge help for the community and things. For 20 bucks, just go down to Walmart, pick it up, use it, put it on a stand. It might be not a really good table tripod because it's not high, but you know, you might have to put on a bookcase or something like that to get that good lighting. But what I really do want to test is the actual audio quality of it, because I want to see how good this shotgun might be. Hey everyone, so I just put it on the unit right here. I want to see if the microphone works. I hope it does. Let me turn the light on real quick and get that out of the way here. Turn the light on real quick. Okay, there, I believe that is the brightest setting right there. Just make sure. Okay, so we are recording right now, so I wanted to know how it was. What do you feel about it? What do you think about it? Let me play with this microphone. Is it on? I hope it's on. Okay. Let's see. Let's cover it. I did put it on the setting for smartphones here. So let me know what you guys think about it. As far as lighting, it is a smaller light. So if you are used to having bigger lights around you for like videotaping, this is probably not for filming. This is probably not going to be the best option, but for vlogging, starting setups, this is the first time you're doing things like this, this might be the best thing for you at the particular moment until carry it. Okay, so this is more if you were vlogging right here. So I'm just walking around. So to be honest with you, weight-wise, this is super light. Even with the phone on here right now, very light. I mean, literally, like, I don't even feel it. But then again, I'm coming from a bigger setup. You know, my DSLR, it's a quick comparison. So if you can imagine this with a phone and everything like that, lights, versus like a setup like this. So as you can see, this is very different. Very, this is more, it's just more, there's more meat to this bone. This one right here, it's super light, honestly. And if you're just starting out, this might be the best option. This probably is the best option. I do have another one I wanted to review. It's going to be the Bower. Hold on. I do have another one to review down the road, maybe in the next couple of days. And that's going to be, this one's a bit more pricey. The Bower Ultimate Vlogging Kit. So this is another one, a bit more pricier than this one. But, you know, still on the budget. You know, still a really good alternative to having a more expensive setup. So look forward to that video. So I'm going to jump on my other camera. Hey everyone, so in closing, this particular unit system right here would not be my first choice if I were to just go out and purchase something. Now, if you have no other choice and this is the best your money can buy, then maybe, yes. And I'll tell you why. Because even though there is a light, it did give me some good lighting. And it does give me that pistol grip. It is light, and I feel I can move around with it really good, you know, because I'm capturing with my phone and things like that. What the drawback for me is the microphone. It's just not there. It's really just not there for me. But once again, I can't complain. It was only like $20. What am I gonna be complaining for? You know, it's $20 microphone. The problem is, like, when I'm moving things around, it picks up every little move, like, you know, like when I'm moving around, it pretty much picks up those, like, it picks it up. So I almost have to be like really right on the microphone to actually have it work properly, because at this angle or this level right now, it is not working for me. And moving around, I just the sound got amplified when I was moving and touching around, you know, on the actual unit and piece itself. So I would, if you have a bit more money to purchase, maybe I'm going to check out the Bower, or piece out your system and within a particular budget, maybe less sub $100, I probably wouldn't. I probably would go with that rather than this. Now, if you were, like I said, you have no other choice, and this is the best you can purchase, then go ahead and buy it for sure all day. If you were to take this off right here, right? If you were to take this off and just use this unit by itself, it'd be good. Honestly, I think it would be good. And at the end of the day, like, there's so many things that you can do as far as like you know, like having like the wireless mics or like the mobile mic. You'd be gravy ready. It'd be really nice ready. So pros to this is because it is super light and you can hold it like a pistol, so you're not going to be tired out because it's light. Even with the phone on there, it won't cost you your arm. Like this thing right here, this unit right here that I'm holding, you kind of have to work out a little bit just to carry this thing around. So with that said, that is my review on the smartphone vlogging kit, and it's totally up to you. Purchase it if you purchase it. Like what you like, don't like what you like. It doesn't matter to me. It all matters. The only thing that matters is if you feel comfortable with it. But with that said, take care, God bless, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.